लहू वतन के शहीदों का रंग लाया है, लहू वतन के शहीदों का रंग लाया है, उछल रहा है जमाने में नामे आजादी। Very good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all of you, respected teachers, parents, and all you my friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We are gathered here to celebrate 77th Independence Day of our nation. Today, on this an auspicious day, I am highly honored to present my Independence Day speech in front of all beloved pupils. As the Indian flag flutters high and the national anthem resounds, the spirit of freedom echoes in every citizen's heart, motivating them to work towards a more stronger, prosperous and inclusive India. Indian Independence Day is not just a celebration of the past. It is a collective pledge to uphold the principles of liberty and to uphold the spirit of democracy for generations to come. Indian Independence Day serves as a reminder of the values of democracy, equality and the unity that form the bedrock of the nation. In the end, all that can be said, freedom is not priceless, and our soldiers are so brave that they are continuously fighting in borders in order to protect our country from any terrorist group. So we should never fail the value of this freedom and preserve it wholeheartedly. Indians should feel proud to be born in this miraculous land where every religion is respected and accepted. Thank you for listening to me from bottom of my heart. मिटा देंगे ए दुश्मन तेरे नाम व निशान को, मिटा देंगे ए दुश्मन तेरे नाम व निशान को, अगर तूने देखा मेरी आंख से हिंदुस्तान को।